Have you ever gone to bed feeling tired, but the moment your head touches the pillow, your brain suddenly wakes up?
Every single night, Leo, my body is exhausted, but my mind starts a whole meeting with itself.
A meeting with itself. I love that. Tonight, we're going to close that meeting for good. And we're going to do it in simple English so everyone watching can actually use these words tonight. By the end of this video, you'll have 5 real techniques, and you'll know exactly how to talk about them in English.
Let's get into it.
So first, why does this happen? During the day, your brain is busy. Work, phone, people, noise.
Right, there's no quiet moment.
Exactly. At night, everything goes quiet, and suddenly your brain finally has space to think. So it thinks about everything at once.
So the silence is actually the trigger?
Yes. Silence doesn't calm an overactive mind immediately. It just gives it room to speak louder.
That explains a lot about my Sunday nights.
Tell me honestly, Maya, what does your brain say at midnight?
Oh no. Did I send that email correctly? What if I said something weird 3 years ago?
Classic overthinking.
And then I check the time and I panic because it's already 1 a.m.
This is called racing thoughts. In English, we say, my mind is racing.
My mind is racing. I need to remember that phrase.
Perfect. Use it in the comments tonight. Let's clear up a myth first. Many people think watching videos on their phone helps them relax.
Isn't that true? It distracts me.
It distracts you, but it doesn't calm you. Blue light and fast content actually keep your brain alert.
So my phone is the opposite of a sleeping pill?
Exactly the opposite. We say it stimulates your brain instead of relaxing it.
Stimulates. Good word. So what do we do instead?
Technique number 1, the brain dump.
Brain dump? That sounds intense.
It just means writing every thought on paper before bed, so your brain doesn't have to hold it.
So I write my to-do list, my worries, everything?
Everything. Your brain repeats thoughts because it's afraid of forgetting them. Once it's on paper, it can rest.
My brain doesn't have to hold it. I like that sentence.
Use it. It's very natural English. Technique number 2, box breathing. Real athletes and even soldiers use this before stressful moments.
Soldiers use it? That sounds serious.
It's simple. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 4, breathe out for 4, hold for 4.
Let's actually try it together.
Okay. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4.
Wow, I actually feel calmer already.
That's the power of controlled breathing. In English, we say it slows down your heart rate.
Nice, calm words for a calm technique.
Exactly. Notice how English has soft sounds for soft ideas. Slow, calm, quiet, gentle.
I never noticed that before.
Native speakers naturally connect sound and feeling. It's part of sounding fluent, not just correct.
Okay, what's technique number 3?
Explaining. Technique 3, the body scan.
Like a hospital scan?
No. You mentally check each part of your body, from your feet to your head, and relax it.
So I imagine my feet, then my legs, then my stomach?
Exactly. Say to yourself, my feet are heavy and relaxed. My shoulders are loosening.
My shoulders are loosening. That already feels different.
Loosening is a great word. It means becoming less tight. Now, here's a question. Have you ever tried to force yourself to stop thinking?
All the time. And it never works.
Because the brain doesn't understand stop. It only understands do something else.
So, fighting my thoughts actually makes them stronger?
Exactly. This is why Technique 4 is so powerful.
I need this one. Technique 4. Worry time. You schedule 10 minutes earlier in the evening just to worry. On purpose? That sounds strange.
It works because your brain feels heard. You tell it, we'll think about this at 7, not at midnight.
So I'm negotiating with my own mind?
Exactly. And when night thoughts appear, you calmly say, not now. That's for worry time.
I'm trying this tonight.
Let me tell you about my friend Daniel. He used to work late and check messages in bed.
Let me guess. He couldn't sleep.
Never. His brain thought bed meant work mode. So even without his phone, he still felt alert.
So our brain learns habits from our environment.
Exactly. We say your brain associates the bed with activity.
Associates. Good word for connecting two ideas.
So Daniel made one small change. No screens in bed, only reading or breathing exercises.
Did it actually help?
Within 2 weeks, he told me, I fall asleep faster than I ever have.
That's a strong result from one small habit.
Small, consistent changes always beat big, difficult ones.
I'm writing that sentence down.
Now, here's something interesting. Different cultures calm their minds differently.
Really? Like what?
In Japan, many people use quiet tea rituals before bed. In Scandinavia, cozy blankets and warm light called higi.
Higi. I've heard that word before.
It basically means comfort and calm togetherness.
So calming the mind isn't just personal. It's cultural, too.
Technique 5. Gratitude before sleep. Think of 3 good things from your day, even small ones.
Okay. I drank good coffee. I talked to my sister. And the sun was warm today.
Perfect. This shifts your brain from worry mode to appreciation mode.
I actually feel lighter just saying that.
Shifts your brain. Remember that phrase. It means changes direction naturally. Let's talk about self-talk. What you say to yourself matters more than people think.
What should I say instead of, I can't sleep again?
Try, my body is resting, even if my mind is still calming down.
My body is resting, even if my mind is still calming down. That feels kinder.
Kind self-talk reduces stress. Harsh self-talk increases it. Let's quickly practice pronunciation. Say after me, calm, with a silent L.
Calm.
Almost. Don't say the L. Just calm.
Calm.
Perfect. Now try, my mind feels calm and quiet.
My mind feels calm and quiet. Let's do a mini role play. Imagine your friend can't sleep and calls you. Leo, I can't sleep. My thoughts won't stop.
Okay, let's breathe together first. In, 2, 3, 4.
That already helps a little.
Now tell me 3 good things from today.
Okay. Actually, I feel better already.
Let's recap everything quickly.
brain dump, box breathing, body scan, worry time, and gratitude.
Perfect memory. 5 simple tools, 5 simple English phrases.
And now I can explain all of them in English too.
That's real progress. Not just learning words, but learning to use them naturally. Tonight, I want you to try just one technique. Not all 5, just one.
Comment below and tell us which one you'll try tonight.
Maybe it's breathing. Maybe it's writing your thoughts down.
Small steps create real change every single night.
And your English improves the same way, one small practice at a time.
If this video helped you feel calmer, give it a like. It truly helps us grow. Subscribe so you don't miss our next English talk show episode.
And check the video on screen now for more calm, confident English practice.
Sleep well tonight, and we'll see you in the next video.
Good night, and keep speaking English every single day.